Hi guys, this is a new Tesla Model Y. So I have ordered one, but it's coming in November to February time. But I'm doing a test drive. So I'll just go around the car. It's actually like a mini SUV type of car. So it's pretty big. See if you can see the cargo, like in the storage wise, it's very good. So if you see, it's a like a massive storage. Like if you are going for a picnic or something, it's a very big area. And also if you can see just here, if you see here, it's like so deep. Can you see here? It's so deep, and you can keep so many stuff in here. In similar fashion, you got another storage in this side as well. And the advantage is, see, we don't have any extra tire or something. So spare tire, we don't have any spare tire. And if you open this, see, it's just, Jay, can you just hold it, please?
You can leave it.
Yeah. So it's like there is another deep area in here. So it's massive storage. That's the main highlight for the car. And if you go, see, if you go around, the glass, if you can see the glass compared to Model Y, it's got a like all the length is glass. So if you even if you see the back door, you can see the glass in there. I'm talking about the roof glass. It's all the way from the back door to the front. So it's massive. If you saw my Model 3 video, Jay, can you just open it? We got another storage in the front as well. That also big. You can like you can put some bag or something here. And so storage wise, I had a Captiva previously. So that was like 900 liters, and this is 2,400 liters of capacity, like a capacity or storage space. So we'll go to inside now. If you saw any other video, you can see the door. Can you just open? Yeah, it's just a push door type of thing. So yeah, and we got when compared to, I had a test drive, and I have a video in my channel. If you can see, I put a link over here, so on the right top. So if you can see that video, when I had a test drive in Tesla 3. So when compared that, it's actually the comfort wise is much better. And seat wise, if you can see, we got white in here, but I have ordered a black one, so that I have small kids, so we don't have any issues with them. Like make it dirt or something. And this is like seat adjustments, so it's easy to adjust, and very spacious. If you see, very spacious car. Yeah, very spacious car. And if you see the air cones, there is air con the air con behind the car as well. It's behind the seats as well, so it's very comfortable in that way. And I have ordered an alloy wheel as well, so that's another highlight of this car. So this is a mirror adjustment. Both of them are the mirror adjustment, and it's got also the adjustment for the you can't adjust when I'm driving, I think, but you can even adjust the steering wheels, so you can up down, and yeah, you'll have those options. Okay, boys.
Yeah.
Let's fly.
Yeah. Yeah. See?
Yeah? Enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Signals. See, it's right here, and it will automatically detect the signals. So just like in any Tesla models, Model Y also has this computer system to control everything. So it's got music system, and seat heating and air con controls. For example, it's got voice control as well. So if you need to tell the car that you need a 22 degree set for the air con, it will automatically set it up. And also if you need to open the bonnet or the front storage area, back storage area, everything is through this. So if you just touch that tab, as you see on the screen, you can open the front and back door, sorry, the back storage. And also if you want to see the camera, there is a camera tab. So all the functions are through this computer. And also just like you saw before, there is signals shown when you drive, and when it's gone red, it's shown on the screen. So everything is through this computer. So maybe one of the most important part of this car. Another thing is that there is a dog mode in this, in which when you enter the dog mode, it actually on the screen it shows the temperature inside to the other outside people, and it says driver is, we are just away, we'll be coming back soon. So that will help with some cars, if when people see the dog inside, they will be worried. And so those type of thing, you'll get that highlight, sorry, those type of time you'll get the attention of the outside people.
So there's a button over here, and once you press it, it will open the door for you, and then you'll just have to push like a normal car.
And there are a very good smart storage areas for the driver and front passenger, and cup holders, and automatic closing storage area. Another important aspect of the Model Y is the long roof glass, which starts from the front windscreen to the back door. So it's very wide, so that you'll be able to see the whole sky through it. It's beautiful. It's very beautiful.
Whoa! It's so fast. Yeah, it was so fast.
You don't have to put too much brake while you drive, because when you just release the accelerator, automatically it slow down. You can see that when driving, so you don't have to put too much brake. Car has two independent motor digitally control a torque to the front and rear wheels, and the car can reach travel from 0 to 100 in as short as 3.7 seconds. And another feature for the car is Model Y is the enhanced autopilot. That is the functions which you can add later as well. You don't have to purchase at the start. You can it's just a software update. So it's all equipped. All the cars are equipped with this option. So you can do it after you purchase the car. Its autopilot is standard, and you can pay around $5,000 and get this enhanced autopilot option, in which you can get a navigated autopilot. Say the car can actively guide you from highways, on ramp to off ramp, including suggesting lane changes, navigating interchanges, and automatically engaging the turn signal and taking the correct exit. So you'll be able to hands-free drive on the freeways. And another option is the auto lane change, which helps with the line changing within the highway, and auto park, which automatically parallel or perpendicular park your car with a single touch. And I love this option of summon. That's one of the beautiful, or one of the surprise element in Model Y, which in a shopping center you can park somewhere and go and shop, and you can get the car come to you instead of you going in.